The lyrebird is one of nature's most extraordinary musicians. Known for its stunning vocal talents and unmatched mimicry skills, this bird is not just a treat for the eyes, but a true wonder for the ears. Lyrebirds are best known for the male's remarkable tail feathers, which form a beautiful lyre shape when he's ready to perform. This feathered superstar can mimic almost any sound it hears, from other bird calls to camera shutters, chainsaws, and even car alarms. Scientists believe this ability evolved because males use these sounds to impress females during courtship displays. And it's not just random sounds. Lyrebirds can recreate entire soundscapes from their environment. They carefully layer and combine different calls to create a unique song, almost like a symphony.
Sort of done like this, but it's on the tracks like this.
For females, these performances signal that the male is healthy, experienced, and resourceful, all qualities she wants in a mate. But it's not easy to impress a female lyrebird. A male has to perfect his mimicry and his dance if he hopes to win her attention. Lyrebirds live in dense rainforests, especially in the southeastern parts of Australia. Here, they forage through the forest floor, flipping leaves and branches to find insects, spiders, and even small lizards. But life in the forest isn't easy. Lyrebirds are ground dwellers, which puts them at risk from predators like foxes and cats. And here's an interesting trick. If a lyrebird feels threatened, it might mimic the call of a predator, like a hawk, to scare off other animals.